Just test firing a Pennco boiler that I just finished installing here. On this boiler here, we piped it up with a power purge setup here, so we won't have to bleed any of the upstairs radiation. This house has 2 boilers. We got a first floor apartment boiler here, and the boiler we just installed here. We're using a ECR, builds these Pennco boilers. They're just a little bit more competitive price wise than their name brand stuff. So we're just test firing here, and we are getting close to limit. We're still smoking the block off here. It's a little bit smoky. On this one here, we're using our standard Khalifi fill and check valve setup. We're using an Amtrol air eliminator. Like I said, we're being a little bit more competitive on pricing on this particular job. These boilers come with a standard Pennco 007 pump. We have a number 30 expansion tank on the rear. The old boiler here was the company that installed the neighboring boiler here. I'm not sure who did that. The sticker is halfway ripped off on it. This boiler, they had one feeding both boilers, so they had one fast fill valve here, and they were feeding both boilers with it. So we had to tee in and bring our supply down on its own independent unit there. And like I said, this one we put a power purge bleed setup on it, and that really makes getting the air out of the system really quick. Doesn't take any time at all. When you're cold filling, you close this valve, set your pressure to about 28 pounds, put your hose on here, and open it up, and the air just comes flying out of the entire system. And when you're done, close it, reduce your pressure, fire the boiler. No air issues. It's quiet right off the bat. So that is definitely a great way to pipe these boilers. So we just reached limit, which is 180 degrees for baseboard radiation. This is a spark ignition boiler, so it's reading 182. There's a built-in low water cutoff, which is a nice feature on these boilers. These are 82% efficient boilers. I don't know if you can see the sticker back there. So all in all, if you're looking for a little more competitive priced boiler, these Penncos are not a bad way to go.